Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see all your reposted videos on TikTok. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and once you've done that, please leave a like and let's get started. I will guide you on how to see all your reposted videos on TikTok. Now the first thing you need to do is to go on to your TikTok account. And once you see a video, you can save them by clicking the bookmark button and adding them to your favorites. Once you're done, you may go to your profile and you can see the videos you just saved to your favorites, but you cannot see the videos you reposted on your profile. Now what you're going to do is to click on the settings. What you're going to do is to go to settings and privacy. And once you're in the settings and privacy page, you may scroll down below and click on report a problem. Click on account and profile. You may scroll down below and go to the profile page option and click on other. And if this doesn't resolve your problem regarding on the reposted videos, you can click on the no button. And in this page, you can type in your problem or issue regarding on the reposted videos on your TikTok account. You must explain your problem briefly so that TikTok can help you in your issue. After that, you may click on submit and wait for TikTok to give you a feedback on your problem. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.